Eamcet 2020 September 9 Shift 1 and Shift 2 question paper review. So before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So first of all, we'll go through the session number 1, which is morning session. So overall difficulty level of the examination was easy to moderate, and difficulty level of the physics, and there were more questions from the chapters thermodynamic, ray and wave optics in the physics. So if you talk regarding the mathematics, in mathematics the paper difficulty was moderate, and there were more questions from the chapters like vectors, calculus and coordinate geometry. And in the session number 1, chemistry was easy. The most of the questions were from organic chemistry, chemical bonding and molecular structure. So this was regarding the session number 1. So if you talk regarding the session number 2, so overall difficulty of the question paper was moderate, and difficulty level of the physics was average, with most of the questions from the intermediate second year syllabus. The chapters with more questions were magnetism, wave optics, work energy power, thermodynamics. If you talk regarding the mathematics, in session number 2, mathematics was not too tough, but some students reported lengthy questions, so you should have to keep more focus on time management in the examination. So in maths, most of the questions were asked from trigonometry, probability and calculus. So in session number 2, as usual, chemistry was not tough, and so the most of the questions were given from the chapters like electrochemistry, solution, p-block elements and molecular structure. And in today's paper, the most of the questions were asked from the previous year question paper. So make sure to solve more previous year papers of AP and Eamcet. So by seeing this review, we can say that the Eamcet 2020 paper is not very easy, not very tough. So it is a moderate question paper. So we can expect that the remaining section papers will also be moderate. So just have confidence and focus on your studies, and keep in mind that you should have to crack Eamcet 2020 examination. So if you talk regarding the key paper of Eamcet 2020 examination will be available after completion of examination of all the students. So we can expect key paper after 14th of this month. So that's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and share this informative video with your friends and family members. And if you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.